In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ACH direct debit payments on Stripe, a valuable feature for businesses looking to offer more flexible payment options. Before we dive in, let's make sure you're set up with a Stripe account and familiar with its interface. If not, take a moment to get yourself oriented with the basics of Stripe. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Stripe's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Stripe URL to reach their homepage. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials and complete the login process. With access to your dashboard, you'll have the entire Stripe suite of tools at your fingertips. Here you can manage your payments, analyze transaction data, and a whole lot more. Now that you're on your Stripe dashboard, the next step is to head over to Settings. You'll find the Settings option typically located in the lower left corner of the interface. Click on it, and it will bring up a menu of additional options, focusing particularly on the Payments section. Click on Payments, and it will expand further for more specific controls. Once you've clicked on Payments, look for Payment Methods from the list. Clicking on Payment Methods will show you a range of different ways you can process payments via Stripe. Here you have the power to activate or deactivate various payment methods according to what best suits your business needs. For today's task, we are specifically interested in turning on the ACH direct debit option. Scroll through the list of available payment methods to locate ACH direct debit. Now, a quick note here. Depending on your regional settings or account type, you might or might not see ACH as an option right away. It's available primarily in the United States, so if you're situated elsewhere, you might need to consult Stripe's support documentation for alternative routes or availability. If ACH direct debit is available on your list, simply click the toggle button to turn it on. This simple action opens up a whole new avenue for receiving payments, which is beneficial for recurring billing scenarios or larger transactions often preferred in ACH processing. And just like that, you're done. You've enabled the ACH direct debit payment method, which could make your business transactions smoother and more convenient for your customers. Remember, Stripe often updates and enhances their platform, so it might be useful to occasionally check back in the payment settings area for any new features that could benefit your operations. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that your new setup meets the needs of you and your customers. Thanks for following along, and make sure to subscribe for more useful guides on enhancing your business's digital infrastructure. Have a great day.